I just forgot my intro. It's been so long that I'm not here. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here and if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Palvi, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I know I am here after a really very long time. Again, not giving any excuses, nothing, just sorry because I have not been here for a really very long time, but I'm trying to cope up with this thing. I'm trying to cope up with Instagram, YouTube and everything. Today's video is actually a one brand video, the brand which I like the most, I love the most. I think so this brand is really very underrated because I cannot see this brand really very often, and this brand is really very good. Obviously it's not sponsored or anything, I am just doing it because I really liked it. My mom got it, like few sample pieces she got it, and because of that I tried this brand, and yeah, I really like this brand, to be really very honest. So yeah, after this long intro, let's get going to the video. The brand I'm talking about is Mantra Herbals. So it's really very underrated brand. I don't think so they have any makeup products yet, but according to me they only have skincare and body care and hair care products. So without further ado, let's get going to the products. So few products are finished. I have thrown the empty bottles, so I will be inserting pictures on the screen. The first thing I'm talking about is this lip balm, which is Mantra Herbal Lush Lips, which contains strawberry, shea and kokum. Really very hydrating balm. You have seen me using this balm quite a lot of time now. I use this balm almost in my every video since I have got this. Whenever you apply this balm, this stays on your lip for almost 1 to 2 hours. If you have really very dry lips, then you have to reapply it again. And the product's name is Lush Lips. It really gives you that lush lips, I believe, because it contains shea and kokum, and also it is not tested on animal. It is pH balanced. I'm using this product from last 5 months, around 5 months, and you can see it's not even half a way through, so it can last you for a really very long time. I will be putting all the links in the description box below, and also the prices will be on the screen. So yeah, I don't think so it's really very expensive. It's really very inexpensive, I believe. So the next product I really love is the aloe vera gel. I have finished that gel. I will be posting a photo somewhere on the screen. So it looks like this, and believe me guys, it's really very good, especially for, I am not sure about how it will work on acne prone skin, but for me it worked like wonders. Literally, I was going through a lot of acnes here and there on my skin, like not a lot, but you know, 1-2 big pimples you get. So I was going through that, and what I did was I just applied this aloe vera gel, like a thick layer of this only on the pimple. Like you can say I did a spot correction, and next day when I woke up in the morning, that pimple was gone. Obviously I had a light scar, but the whole, like the pimple, it was an active pimple. So yeah, it was like vanished, and I can see like the blood coming out of the pimple. So I know it's like TMI, but it was like that. So that is my second favorite product, and I'm definitely going to repurchase, like no questions about it. It's also really very cool. It contains aloe vera and neem in it, so it's really very cooling. It gives you that cooling sensation. So summers are almost here, so you know, you can use that. The next thing is this facial kit. I got this anti-acne facial kit. I don't know why I get all of this stuff, because I do not suffer from a lot of acne, but I just wanted to try if I get acne here and there, so you know, if this works or not. So I just wanted to try that out, and so I did buy it, and again it works like wonders. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Name is written here. Mantra Herbal. You can see it is SLAS, silicone and paraben free. No artificial colors and fragrance are present in this. Piche it's given all the steps that you have to follow. Inside they have a different pouches, as you can see. You need to do a 5-step facial to have that effect on your skin. As you can see, they have given behind every package that how to perform that step. The next thing again is like over, which is again another facial kit, which is like a glow up facial kit. But I have done my Diwali get ready with me video, I think so, and in that I have used that kit. I have shown you everything how to use that kit in detail, and I will be linking that on the screen somewhere, so you can see your I button, so you can go and check that video out. Next thing is micro exfoliating face scrub, which contains peach, saffron and Himalayan rock salt. Again silicone, paraffin and soap free, which is really very important. No artificial colors or fragrances. Also it contains a really very fine particles. It's really close to the scrub I use, which is from Mamaearth. It contains like a really very small scrubbing particles, so that's a plus point. It will not harm your skin, and also it's really very hydrating. But I don't know why, but I always go to my Mamaearth wala scrub. Whenever I use scrub, I always tend to go to my Mamaearth wala scrub. It also is really very hydrating too, and it's a bit more hydrating than this one, so I tend to go to that scrub more. Also this scrub little bit, like only 1 or 2% dries me out, if you know what I mean. Like a little bit it dries me out. On the other side, the cocoa wala scrub from Mamaearth does not dry me out. So I'm not at all comparing the two products. I'm just comparing because I own these two products and I have only these two products to compare. So you will get a greater idea that how this product works. But otherwise I'm not at all comparing these two brands or these two products. I'm just comparing because I have these two products. I like this product like 50%. I'm not really a very big fan. The next product is a hair cleanser. So I bought skincare, I bought facial kits, I bought sunscreen also, which I will show you guys in a bit. I bought product of hair care also. I wanted to include all the categories in this. So yeah, I bought this hair cleanser, which is I think so of Bringraj and something, I do not remember, and it did work for my hair also, but again it was a little bit of drying for me. So in that perspective I did not like that a lot. Again a 50-50 kind of a situation. It really gave me like a beautiful shine to my hair, so for that thing I liked it. But again it was a little bit of drying on my hair, so I did not like it that much. Like it didn't top my list. If you have like a really very frizzy or really very non-shiny hair, I don't know how to describe. And the last product is the product I hate. Like I know hate is a huge word, but I did not like this product at all. Like I just used 1-2 pumps and the bottle is like that only. So I am thinking of giving this to someone who can use it. I was excited for this one because this also contains some flavors and all, but they are way too strong for a sun cream. So it is saffron and calendula sun cream. It contains SPF 30+ with UVA and UVB protection. Again silicone, paraffin free. The thing I did not like in this product is, as I told you guys, it smells way too strong for my liking. Like I like the sunscreens which are not scented or something. Again it contains saffron. It smells like complete saffron, which I do not like that. If you guys like that, then you can buy this product, not an issue at all. So you can see how much thick the texture is. It does not get absorbed in your skin that quickly. It contains a little bit of oiliness, which I do not like at all. and I don't know, it just feels really very heavy on my skin because it has a really very thick formula. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys like this video. The links will be in the description box below. If you want to check that out, you can check it out. The brand is really very good. I genuinely like this brand. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will try to post more often, I promise. So yeah, we will meet next time.